Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G10 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the Save Settings category, and here we have Save Location option. By using this button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on, like that, as we need, and this option allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. Also, the important thing here is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or the mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, the location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. To see the photo, let's move to the right to this button that follows us straight to the gallery. This is our photo. To check its location, we have to just simply slide down, and as you can see here we have access to more details about it with the map and the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.